Eighth problem. The following is the balance sheet of Bright Limited as on 31st March 2015. Liabilities amount, assets amount. Coming to adjustment, the company suffered heavy losses and was not getting on the well. The following scheme of the reconstruction was adopted. Coming to first point, the preference share be reduced to an equal number of fully paid shares of rupees 50 each. Before it was rupees 100 each. It has been reduced to rupees 50 each. Next adjustment, the equity shares be reduced to an equal number of shares of rupees 25 each. Before it was 100, now it is reduced to rupees 25 each. The amount so made available be used to writing off rupees 30,800 of the leasehold premises, rupees 15,000 of stock, 20% of plant and machinery and sundry debtors, and the balance available of patents. Journalize the transaction and prepare the balance sheet after the reconstruction has been carried out. In this, they have mentioned the amount for reduced amount for leasehold premises, stock, the plant and machinery. You will be taking 20% as reduced, and sundry debtors also 20% as reduced. The balance, the balancing figure will be an a patents. Solution in the books of Bright Limited journal entries. Four columns, serial number, particulars, debit rupees, credit rupees. First point, first entry, old preferential capital account debit 7,50,000. This amount you will be taking from the balance sheet. To new preferential capital account 7,500 preference share into rupees 50 each. In credit side 3,75,000. You will be deducting 7,50,000 minus 3,75,000. The balancing figure will be 3,75,000 to capital redemption account. You will be mentioning in the credit side, being the redemption of preference share and equity shares. Coming to next entry, old equity share capital account debit 5 lakh. You will be checking out in the balance sheet. The same amount you will be writing here. To new equity share capital account 5,000 share into rupees 25. 5,000 into 25, 1,25,000 you will be writing in the credit side. 5 lakh minus 1,25,000, the balancing figure will be 3,75,000. You will be mentioning to capital redemption account, being the redemption of preference share and equity shares. Coming to next entry, capital redemption account debit 7,50,000. How you got this amount means from the first entry 3,75,000. Coming to second entry 3,75,000. If you are adding both, you will be getting 7,50,000. Coming to next, you will be checking out in the asset side. To discount on issue of shares 18,000. To preliminary expenses 12,000. To profit and loss account 1,15,000. Coming to next, to leasehold premises 30,800. This value you have taken from the adjustment. Coming to next, to stock 15,000. They have given the reduced amount. You are writing the same thing. To plant and machinery 20%. You can check it out. The amount of the plant and machinery 42,200 into 20 divided by 100, you will be getting 8,440. To sundry debtors, you will be checking amount in the balance sheet 76,500 into 20 divided by 100, you will be getting 15,300. So the balancing figure will be an patent. You have taken all the things, means discount on issue of shares and the preliminary expenses, profit and loss account as per the format of journal entries, and other assets what they have mentioned in the adjustment, you are taking that. So they have said the balancing figure is the patents So you will be adding up from 18,000 to 15,300. You will be deducting from the 7,50,000 amount. So the balancing figure amount will be 5,35,460. A Bright Limited revised balance sheet as on 31st March 2015. Three columns. A. Point, equity and liabilities, note amount. Share capital, authorized capital 20,000, preference share of rupees 50 each, 10 lakh. 20,000 equity share of rupees 50 each, 10 lakh. So total authorized capital will be 20 lakh. Coming to subscribed capital, you will be taking from the journal entries. 7,500 preference share of rupees 50 each, fully paid up, 3,75,000. 5,000 equity share of rupees 50 each, fully paid up, 1,25,000. So coming to reserves and surplus, nil. Non-current liabilities, nil. Secured loans, nil. Current liabilities, you will be checking out with the balance sheet. In the liability side, they have given sundry creditors and bank overdraft 30,000, sundry creditors, bank overdraft 20,000. If you are totaling, you should get 5,50,000, 3,75,000, 1,25,000, 30,000, 20,000. The total liability side is 5,50,000. So coming to point B, assets, non-current assets, fixed asset, leasehold premises. In the balance sheet, the amount is 1,30,800 minus reduced amount 30,800. You will be getting 1 lakh. Plant and machinery, in the balance sheet 42,200. So they have said that 20% will be reduced, 8,440. If you are deducting from 42,200, 33,760, you will be getting. Patents, 8,50,000 minus 5,35,460. This amount you have taken from the journal entries. In the capital reduction account, the balancing figure they have mentioned, no, that amount it is. If you are deducting from the 8,50,000, you will be getting 3,14,540. Coming to next, current assets, sundry debitors, 76,500 balance sheet amount minus 15,300, you will be getting 61,200. So coming to next, stock in trade, 55,000 minus 15,000. So the balance will be 40,000. So coming to next, cash in and 500. If you are totaling in the asset side, you should get 5,50,000. So in the liabilities also it should be 5,50,000. In the asset side also it should be 5,50,000.